How to use Map Breadcrumbs tracking on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's use the navigation button at the left side of the screen. From the following view, all you need to do is use the settings button. Now you've got access to the navigation settings. Choose here the map settings, the first section, then scroll down and here you should find the record and show tracking dots. An excellent off-road or road trip feature, enabling record and show tracking dots commands the GPS to drop small breadcrumbs dots along the exact line you have driven. Tracking dots distance lets you configure how far apart those dots are dropped, which helps you safely retrace your steps backwards out of remote areas on unmarked trails. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.